Hey, what's going on, guys? So a little bit of a different style of video, but I was going through my hard drive, and because it's pretty much full, I started deleting some older footage that I know I'm not going to ever need in the future. But I came across one of the videos that I had begun editing but never got around to finishing because I just didn't see how I could incorporate it into a video, and right when I was about to delete it, I figured I might as well make something out of it. Now, the majority of this footage was shot back in December at a Grand Drift event over in Gainesville, Florida. And with the video that I made for that event, I just didn't get a chance to edit this footage in. Nonetheless, I think it's valuable because you see exactly what I'm doing in terms of my footwork. Now, a lot of these runs are with Matt the Ginge, who's in the blue 350Z. I know a lot of you know him, and if you don't, get out underneath the rock that you're under. Now, the purpose of this video is to basically just show you guys what I'm doing with my feet mid-drift. And because Matt and I like to get close to each other, you can see exactly what I'm doing and the techniques that I'm using in order to get closer to his door. And in all honesty, it is pretty interesting to watch over this footage to see what I'm doing wrong. But in my defense, at this event, the car was feeling kind of floaty and I was suffering from my steering issue that's plagued me ever since I got the car. Either way, this footage progresses chronologically, so from the beginning of the event towards the end of the event. And you can definitely tell how we're just getting more comfortable with each other as the day goes on. So enough of me talking. Hope you guys enjoy this footage. our last clip, it's in the FRS when Drift Dad and I ran down to the compound so that he could get some seat time. I didn't get any footage of me drifting because we weren't at the compound for me to drift. We were, of course, trying to get my dad some more seat time. I just didn't get to edit this part into that compound video either. So here it is. So that's all the footage that I have for you guys. Hopefully you did enjoy it, and if you did, I would really appreciate it if you could give me a nice big thumbs up. And in other news, this weekend, we're gonna have the S13 rolling out of the driveway. I promise. It's been a long time coming with a lot of issues, but we're finally here and ready to get the car tuned and aligned. So with that said, thank you guys for watching. I encourage you to comment down below with any questions, maybe even time stamping in your comment, the specific question or comment that you have. Because I'm sure there are moments where you might be thinking, why the hell is he handbraking? Why did he clutch kick so much? There's reasoning for everything, but mainly because I suck at drifting. Enough of me talking. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.